So I'm back with another video, and as you can see by the caption, I'm going to be doing a calm beat. So yeah, stay tuned. So I'm going to be starting off by using this e.l.f. Blemish Control Primer, and I'm going to apply it in pea-sized amounts on my cheek, forehead, and chin, and just blend it all in. And I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty foundation. This is my favorite foundation. It's just really lightweight, but the coverage is amazing. And it just looks natural to me. So yeah. So I applied it with my finger first, just to get all of the target areas. And then I'm blending it out with my Real Techniques foundation brush. And then going over it with a beauty blender just to make sure everything is nice and blended and even. Moving on to my brows, I'm just taking this brow styler from Benefit Cosmetics in the shade 4. This is my go-to brow product. It's just the best brow product ever. It doesn't have a spoolie, so I'm just using another spoolie from a pencil. And y'all look, it has a dip powder. So yeah, I use that on the tails of my brows just to darken it up a little bit, make it a little bit like defined more, if that makes sense. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing, and I'm just going to blend it out with the spoolie all throughout the brow area. So now for my brows, I'm going to be using the Gimme Brow Gel from Benefit Cosmetics in the shade 5, and this is a microfiber gel, so it adds texture to the brow and makes sure everything is nice and even, and it gives the brow a more natural, fuller effect. And going in with my Morphe concealer, I'm just going to be cleaning up my brows to make them look more defined. And this brush that I'm using is from a BH Cosmetics brush set. I'm not even sure what the brush is called. I'm sorry. And to clean up the top of my brows, I'm just going in with my Fenty foundation again. And to blend out that concealer under my eyes and on my forehead and whatnot, I'm using the Real Techniques concealer brush. And to set my under eye and everything, I'm just using the Makeup Revolution banana powder. The pressed one, yes, the pressed banana powder. I find it to be less messy, so yeah. To contour and bronze, I'm using the Hoola bronzer in the original shade. They came out with like 4 different shades. This was originally the only one, so yeah, this is the original shade. And I'm just using my blush brush to contour my cheeks, and then later I'm going to go in with a smaller brush to contour my nose. I love to use powder for contouring when I'm doing like a calm beat. It just gives it more of a like softer, natural look. So I'm just taking the banana powder and I'm going to be applying it on the sides of my nose just to make the nose look really snatched and you know. But I'm just applying like a light layer because you don't want it to be too thick, because remember, this is a calm beat. And for my blush, I'm just using this Coralista blush from Benefit Cosmetics. Yes, I'm using a lot of Benefit Cosmetics because I used to work for them and I used to get gratis, so I just have a bunch of Benefit Cosmetics. So I just went in with the Physicians Formula highlighter, and I first applied it with my finger, and now I'm using this Real Techniques highlighter brush. And now I'm just lining my lips with this Kiss lip liner. I don't have it handy with me right now, so I won't be able to include the name of the color. But yeah, I just lined it with like a brownish color. And now I'm going in with the best lip gloss ever from the hair store. Y'all know what it is. Yeah. The two lashes options I had was Amazon and Rite Aid. I went with the Amazon lashes. If y'all want the link to these lashes, let me know in the comments below. I love these lashes. They look like individual lashes, but they're strips and they're bomb. So yeah, this is the finished look. Real calm, real cute. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.